Good morning. Good morning. This is Mike Polanco with Superior Coatings of South Texas. We're actually going to you live this morning on Facebook. And the reason why we're doing that is because we want to do a little education this morning on Super Therm. Lately, we've been having quite a few showers out here in the San Antonio area, and we're humbled and blessed. Believe you me, we need the rain. However, on the other side, it kind of slows us down, lowers temperatures. Nobody wants to talk about Super Therm on these wet, rainy days. So no worry, no harm, no foul. We are excited because what we're going to do today is what I refer to as the South Texas torch test. I'd like to first of all thank Kevin Stein and Trey Winan for being there. Here, we have ourselves just a typical metal plate right here. Jimmy Villarreal, as well as watching. Thank you very much. One of my shipmates here, Miguel, is watching. Hey, but again, too, here's this metal right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this torch test right here. Right here is, we got it on. And you're going to see something that's going to be typical what you see here. There it is right there, flames going. What we're going to do is just typically, what I'm going to try to do is represent what the sun does to a roof. Sunlight hits there, releases that thermal radiant heat that goes out on top of this on this metal surface here. And what happens is this metal surface is going to get hot. Once this metal surface gets hot, then it's going to transfer that heat into the back side there. Matter of fact, that temperature right there, surface over there, it shows about 115 degrees. And on the back side there, it's about 90 degrees. So we're going to heat it up, 108 degrees. We're going to heat it up a little bit more just to kind of demonstrate what's going on right here. And this heat is going to continue to keep working just like it does on a typical metal roof. Heat hits the surface over there, continues to heat it up. Got about 117 degrees on there, and then about 143 degrees. What you're seeing is there is the surface of that roof gets hot and transfers in. It's called thermal equilibrium. Even we are the same way. We can only hold so much heat within our body until we begin to sweat and begin to try to cool ourselves off. Well, this heat that hits the surface over here gets full, it gets heat soaked, and then it transfers to the back side right here. I'd like to say hello to our cousin, my cousin out there is Mitzi, and thank you so much for watching, especially Jose Polanco out there watching us. But here, we've demonstrated how the heat goes all the way through, but now I'm going to show you Super Therm. And you can see here, we've got Super Therm here on a little flimsy piece of plastic right here. Well, not plastic, I'm sorry. It's a little flimsy piece of galvalume metal. Real flimsy, nothing like what we have here. This is a very rigid piece right here. Okay, here we go. Once again, we got our torch test right here. And what we're going to do, we're going to demonstrate once again how the sun, the heat's going to hit the surface of this right here. Begins to heat it up. Begins to heat it up. Now you can see right there, the surface is actually getting red. You see that? Look at there. That's red right there. Okay? The Super Therm is protecting my finger there. That right there, my friends, is a lot of heat. That's 267 degrees right there. Backside, 94 degrees where the Super Therm is at. Super Therm surface, 96 degrees. Now, you can see how this American-made high-performance ceramics actually just does not allow any heat to transfer, not even on the back side here. Let's try it again. Just so you that are starting to join us there. Jerry, it's good to see you. We need to get together sometime. But check this out. This would be a great application on all metal roofs that are out there, especially those that have HVAC consumption. Metal roofs, right there. If a metal roof gets that hot, you've got bigger problems than your HVAC consumption. Because that's 278 degrees. Absolutely no heat transfer to the back side of there at all. That is Super Therm. Hey, I just noticed there my dad is watching. Hey, Dad, it's good. We need to get together. I called you the other day. You haven't returned my call. But here, once again, Super Therm right here. This is what we've been promoting here in South Texas. This is an amazing, phenomenal product. We're blessed to be a part of the SPI International company. So if you'd like to take a closer look at Super Therm, and as well too, if you would like to personally take the Super Therm Challenge, the South Texas Torch Challenge, by all means, direct mail me or send me an email. Check us out on our Facebook. Give me a call, 210-827-6617, and we'll definitely give you a demonstration for yourself and let you look at all the advantages of what we can offer with Super Therm. Number one, eliminate the thermal heat off of your metal roof. That right there is the biggest gainer of heat on your building envelope. Number two, be able to save you money on your HVAC consumption. Those of you that have commercial buildings, at the end of the year, you can take that expense of the Super Therm application and be able to deduct that as far as a tax deduction at the end of the year. It's not a capital expense. It's a maintenance deduction. So you'll be able to deduct that further savings at the end of the year. And last but not least, as well too, is Super Therm has return on investment, which means that you spend like X amount of dollars, $10,000, and you begin to save a couple $100 a month, $200 a month on HVAC consumption, then you'll see that your return on investment is going to be typically within about 3 to 4 years, possibly out to about 5 years. However, once you hit that return on investment mark, all that money that you're saving goes straight into your profits and your pocket. That right there is a tremendous asset that we can offer through Superior Coatings of South Texas. And on top of all that, we can offer you a 25-year warranty for your roof. I'd like to thank Tanya for taking a look and appreciate everybody offering their comments. As you know, we've always said we are a company, a faith-based company. We thank you so much for your prayers. Continue to pray for us, and we're looking forward to another year as we continue to work harder and even educating more people about Super Therm. Hope you all have a blessed day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.